Judge Espinosa has joined us again to offer his perspective from beyond the bench. Judge, we saw Judge May a great deal on this show. How long has she been in this division now?
She's been in the juvenile drug division going on 5 months now.
Okay. Do you ever have parents who make excuses for their children?
All the time. I think it's standard. If we don't hear it from time to time, it's unusual.
And you know their excuses when you hear them?
Yes, we do. It's pretty clear based on the facts that we know and the performance of the programs that we're aware of because of the work of the case management team. We can address those with the children and the parents. Speaking
of parents, can this program work without parental help or parental support?
It can work. It depends on the maturity of the juvenile involved in the program, but most of the successes are because of parental support.
Judge, you're now involved in the implementation of dependency drug court. How does this program work, and why do you think this will be successful?
Well, in dependency division, we'll deal with families in need of services, their child abuse issues, their neglect issues that usually have a foundation of some type of substance abuse. So the thinking here is that if we can provide a very competent and reliable drug treatment program to address these issues, we can help them eliminate some of the behaviors that cause them to be poor parents.
I assume that the program is tough for all these young people, even those who were terminated successfully. But what do you think the common denominators are among those who stick it out?
Their resolve. I think everybody wants to do well, and I think everybody wants to be accountable to themselves and their families. And I think everyone that participated in the program want people to be proud of them. And somehow they've gotten off track for a number of reasons that I think are pretty obvious to many. So we help them find their way back.
You must have parents ask you for advice from time to time when you are off the bench, I assume. How can they avoid courtrooms like the ones we've seen in this program today?
Know what your children are doing at all times. There's nothing wrong with being a parent who's inquisitive and knows what your child is doing, who your child is with, and what's happening in their lives.
Judge, thank you very much for joining us today. We certainly appreciate you being here.
Glad to be here. Thank you.